Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Okay, we live. Very nice. Hello. Good morning or afternoon or evening where you are. Hello. Today, this is Circuit. Today, I challenge a actual senior CS major to a coding battle. This is Circuit Breaker. Circuit Breaker, can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, hi, I'm Circuit. I have actually not streamed in a very long time because class has been like cooking me. But I do stream. Honestly, I should stream coding more. Chet is kind of inspired me to do it myself. But
Wow.
I mostly stream like games, like variety indie games and stuff like that. Um, but yeah, I
Oh.
am indeed a senior studying comp sci, and I'm going to be graduating in May, and I am absolutely cooked. So here I am practicing Leetcode with Chet.
Yeah, what better way to study but with peer pressure, am I right? Peer pressure always works.
Nothing but a competitive environment to get you going.
You say you play variety games. What games do you play usually?
Um, I'm awful at Valorant, but I play Valorant, and there's also a bunch of indie games. Like, at least before I kind of quit streaming to focus on school,
Hmm.
uh, I did a couple like challenge runs, 100% achievement type stuff.
Oh, for Valorant. Very cool.
Not Valorant, but like some like indie Steam games.
I see, I see. Indie Steam games. Okay, very cool. Um, I know you already told me, but what's your primary language for lead coding for people who haven't heard?
It's Java.
Yeah,
I
another
might get
Java
cooked for
person.
this.
No,
I
I'm
have
using
gotten
Java
cooked for
too.
this.
We're both getting cooked with the same language. Let's
It's like everybody's
go.
like use Python, everything's built in, but like, you know, I don't
Yes.
know. I just like Java.
Yeah,
That's it.
honestly, same. It's just the language I'm more familiar with. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what we're doing or what we're doing, we're on Leetcode, the world's most popular site for practicing coding questions. There's sample questions from companies like Google, Facebook, Apple. Four problems will be randomly generated. Whoever solves the most in 60 minutes wins. You can do the problems in any order, and you can Google, you can chat GPT. Just don't look up the actual answer, or else that's cheating. Um, we'll probably mute ourselves most of the time, but you can unmute yourself as you like in case you want to complain about how tough things are or you want to trash talk or something.
You'll
Okay,
you'll hear me through the recording later.
all right. Yeah, I look forward to that. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say, I guess. Anything you want to say before we begin?
Not really. I have not seen the
Okay then.
problems yet. I don't know how cooked I am.
I haven't seen it either. Okay, I have a timer on my screen. We tried like three different timers so far. In CJ's battle, it was a external timer, but it stops if we don't look at it actively. For
Uh,
Hamster, it was we used the actual built-in timer for leech rooms, but after the timer finishes, it doesn't count your right answers as right answers anymore. So we're trying the OBS Discord, no, the OBS built-in timer. So we'll see how that goes. You can also like do a countdown timer on your side if it helps too. We're
okay, I
not
was gonna
like,
say I don't know if I can like I don't know if I should tab into your stream to see it. I'm just gonna set an alarm on my phone.
yeah. But yeah, we're not too strict on the times. If you're really close in the end, we can go overtime if you want, so it's not a big deal. We're not here to be like breakneck, like, yeah, I'm better than you or whatever. We're just here to like practice. Yeah. Okay. If there's not anything else, do you want to do a countdown and I'll start the timer and then we can begin?
Uh, I mean, all right. Three, two, one. Start the clock.
Hey, let's go. Good luck.
You too. I'm a mute.
See ya. Oh, all right. We're alone together, boys. Min cost climbing stairs, maybe. You are given an integer array cost, where cost I is the cost of ith step on the staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. Okay. You can either start from the step with index 0 or the step with index 1. Oh my goodness. Return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. Is this not a recursion problem? Return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. Okay, 1 or 2 steps. You either start from the step with index 0 or the step with index 1. Once you pay the cost, you can climb. Cost is step. Do I have to pay for index 0 or 1? What? This problem is so vague. Okay. Output is 15. You start at index 1. Okay, so you do pay for the first step. Pay 15 and climb 2 steps to reach the top. Oh, okay. I feel like this is just recursion with minimization, is it not? Okay, what's the base case? Maybe I should track which step I'm on currently too. So in step, so a base case will be if I'm at the last step. If, what is this? If step is equal to, wait, climb 2 steps to reach the top. Pay 15 and 1, 2. So it's like 1 after the greatest one? Okay. If steps is equal to step, wait, what am I doing? Cost dot length greater than equal, maybe? So that's 1 more than the length, I guess. Then return 0, because I'm already there. I pay 0 to step on the tallest one. Else, what do? We can either take 1 step or 0 steps, or 2 steps. Oh, how do we do this? Dude, I'm already so nervous. What is fucking wrong with me? 1 step or 2 steps? I feel like we just, so recursive call, min cost climbing stairs. Okay, cost, what the frick is cost? Oh, just the same. The step, we probably start at 0, right? So we step plus 1, that's 1 step. I think so. Is that not the cost? All right. Should I pay for, how do I calculate the cost of my current step? So once you pay the cost, you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. Okay, so I have to pay before I step. And my cost is equal to, so I think we should begin on -1, right? That's step is equal to -1. Then there's 0 cost. Else you return the cost of the cost of my current step, I guess. Yeah, my current step. Feel like that's how it works. So int step 1 is equal to my cost plus this. Int step 2 is equal to my cost plus the recursive call, but with plus 2, I guess. Okay, Return the math.min. Step 1, comma, step 2, maybe? I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try running this. How many? Oh my god. Bruh, how are you doing this?
Look, alright, I'm just saying this right now, I'm doing brute force solutions. I am not going for optimal time.
Really? Wait. I thought you said you said that you haven't leak code in 2 years? Someone's capping. My god, you're going crazy. Okay, see ya. Okay, return. She solved number of good pairs. What in the world? Return. Return min cost climbing stairs. What is this? Cost? And let's start at the -1 step, maybe? Sure, let's run this. Wow. This is probably... Oh, time limit exceeded. We're on the right track then, boys. Let's add a cache to this bad boy. How do you do a cache again? Int cache is equal to new int, is it cost dot length plus 1 maybe? So it's 0 to n. Yeah, okay, let's do that. And then arrays dot fill the cache to what, -1? Sure. So one more step. Check the cache. If cache, the current step is not equal to 0 or -1, then you return what? Cache with the current step. Very nice. Okay, I gotta cache my stuff too. Int result is equal to that, and I need to cache it too. Return cache step is equal to, what am I doing? I'm panicking. Result. Return result. Let's run this to make sure it works. Come on. Oh. Cache. Oh. Int cache. Insert cache here, and also in the recursive calls too. Panicking. Cache. Let's run this thing. Oh. If step is not equal to -1, and okay. Run. Is there going to be another error here? In next -1 outbounds. Okay. If step is not equal to -1, let's run this thing. Please work. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Okay. Circuit breaker did number of good pairs, right? Let's do number of good pairs. Holy shizzle. Actually, let's do power of 2. Return true for the power of 2. Yeah, no, let's do what she did. Given an array of integer nums, return the number of good pairs. What is a good pair? If nums I is equal to nums j. Wait, isn't this supposed to be really easy? A pair is called good if nums, the number of good pairs. Oh, wait, this is not easy. This is not easy. Return the number of good pairs. A pair ij is called good if I is equals to j. Naruhodo. Oh, we can do a hash set cache again, and then see what we've submitted, what we've seen in the past. Yeah. For every number we look into the hash set. If we've seen it, if we've seen myself in the past, then we add. Okay. I think we got this. Yeah, we got this. I got a new message. Oh, it's DJ. Hash set integer, I guess. Cache is equal to new hash set. Wow. I forgot to see the scoreboard. Share a new hash set. Let's go from start to end, right? Int I is equal to 0. I is less than nums.length I plus int current is equal to nums I, and if cache dot contains current, if I contain current, then I add to my result. Int result is equal to 0, then result plus. Result plus, there we go. Oh wait, what if there's multiple, right? Each pair in the array. Okay, this is bad. I should do a hash map instead to store how many there are. Hash map, integer and its counts. Integer is equal to new hash map. Okay, if cache dot contains key, wait, no, we can just do result plus equals cache dot get or default the current number and 0 by default if we haven't seen it yet. Yeah, okay. And then in the cache dot, okay. Cache dot put the current with, okay, let's store this in a previous variable for convenience. Cache dot get previous count plus cache wait, result plus equals previous count? Okay, because there's that many pairs before me. Cache dot put previous count plus 1. Return result. I am in a state of panic right now. I have no idea if anything works. Please work. Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh, there's no parentheses. Let's go. Please work. My goodness. Let's go. I've caught up. There's 44 minutes left. Minimum number of operations to convert time. What is this? Given 2 string, current and correct representing 224. Yeah, no, thanks. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2. Otherwise, return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 2 to the x. Okay, is power of 2. How the frick do we do this? Is this recursion? Can we keep dividing our exponent by 2 every time? How though? How? If it's a power of 2. Actually, yeah, how the heck do we do this? There should be a way we can keep dividing and conquering this, right? We should be able to keep dividing our exponent 2 every time. Could we binary search it? Oh my god, circuit breaker submitted. She solved mid-number of operations to convert time. Oh my god, you are a monster. I think this is the most intense match I've ever had. Good luck, good luck. Is power of 2? How though? I feel like there's a way we can. Ooh, I'm drawing a blank. How the heck do I do this? There's 42 minutes left. Of course, I can just keep, like, taking my result to the power of 2. Should I just keep doing that? That's the brute force way, you know? That's not, I don't think that'll be the solution, though. There has to be a way of constantly, like, narrowing down my solution by half, right? I feel like this is the type of problem. So how do I tell if it's a power of 2? What if I divide myself by 2 and that's a power of 2? But yeah, hold on. 16 goes to 8. What if I just keep dividing it by 2? But that's the same as dividing it from 2 from the start. Squared? I'm so paranoid. Sure, you know what? Let's try brute force. I'm okay with that so far. This is so stupid. Int product is equal to 2. While I don't know. While what? Product. I am blanking out so hard. Is a power of 2. 2 to the 0. Oh. Product should start with 1. Okay, while product is maybe less than n, product times equals 2. I mean, how big can it get, right? Oh, ow. Okay, so in the end, if the product is equal to n, return true. Else, if it's not equal to n, return false. Is that how you do it? I don't know, guys. That can't be the solution. If it's a solution, I don't know what I'll do. Time limit exceeded, okay. Yeah. How do we make this simpler though? I mean, we're pretty close. I mean, right off the bat, if it's not divisible by 2, if n mod 2, let's use this test case, is not equal to 0, then automatically we're like, return false. What? Oh, n is not equal to 1? If n is not equal to 1 and I mean, alright. I don't think this will work though. 85. Man, I have no idea. Wait, what is the... Is this approaching the limit of integers? Wait, Java, integer, max value. Wait, that's like, oh my god. You know what? I'm so panicking. Is she doing brute force? Maybe I'll fight back with brute force too. Switch. Switch n. Case. There's no way. Case. This number. Return true. Okay. That makes sense. It's so stupid. You know, we're missing only 20 test cases. Output is true, expected false. Expected false? Oh. It's so stupid. Well, hey, if she's fighting with brute force, I'll fight with brute force too. Let's freaking go! Brute force for the win! Oh! Hey, you wanna fight brute force? I got brute force for ya. Minimum number of operations to convert time. Oh no, this looks so hard. You are given two strings, current and correct, representing two 24-hour times. What the frick? 24-hour times are formatted as this. Okay, where h is between 0 and 23. Oh no, and is between 0 and 49. The earliest 24-hour time is 00. Hour, minutes, okay. Latest is 23:59. Okay. In one operation, you can increase the time current by 1, 5, 15, or 60 minutes. You can perform this operation any number of times. Return the minimum number of operations needed to convert current to correct. Is this backtracking? I feel like this is backtracking. Do we have just a little bit of hint? Convert the times to minutes. Use the operation with the biggest value possible at each step. Okay. You can increase the time current by 1, 5, or 60 minutes. You can perform this operation any number of times. You return the minimum number of operations needed to convert current to correct. Okay, I mean, the human way is to add 60. Okay, keep adding 60. Keep adding 60, and when it goes over, add 15, add 5, add 1. Isn't that backtracking? Ouch. Wow. But yeah, I feel like this is the most intense battle I've ever been part of. Circuit breaker is like firing right off the bat. Actually very crazy. Wait, how? Okay. Let's take it slow. I feel like we need to convert the hours to minutes, right? Okay. 0023, 0059. Okay, let's extract our current time into just an integer of minutes, right? Extract to minutes. Okay. String hour is equal to current dot what? Substring 0. What's 0? 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay. The current hour. I am panicking like crazy right now. Current min is equal to substring. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 to the end. Sanity check system.out.println current hour plus current hour. Oh no, I'm so stressed. Current minute is equal to we're supposed to return an int, right? Probably gonna get us to that. Substring. Oh. Substring. Return -1, sure. I need to extract all these numbers somehow. 0, 2, 30. Can I do a parse int? Int current hour is equal to integer dot parse int current hour. Current minute. Why am I so on edge right now? There's plenty of time left. It makes no sense. Current hour. And then we print out current hour int. current min. Current hour int. Current min. Current minute int. And then print this out. Okay. Please parse correctly. I don't want to handle zeros. Oh, look at that. It does parse correctly. Very nice. Okay. I'm still so stressed for whatever reason. Like absolutely silent right now. I don't like it. Where did my music go? String correct is equal to wait. Int. I want an int. Int correct hour int is equal to correct dot substring o comma 2, and then convert this to an integer dot parse int int. Okay, correct min int is equal to just 3. Okay, sanity checks 2. Correct hour. Wait, how did she do this so fast? That's actually crazy. Correct min plus current min int dot substring o. Common misspelling again. "20 minutes left. 2:30, 2:35. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. 2:30, 4:30. Wait, that's not right. Why is the correct hour 2? Oh, correct. I am panicking. 4:30. Okay, we good. Int correct current total is equal to current hour int plus current min int correct total. Sorry, I just had a funny thought. What if I inflict some psychological damage right now by continually submitting? That'd be really funny. I'm not gonna do that though. Don't tell me she got it. That would be crazy. Current total. Correct total. I don't even know what the right answer should be. Okay. That makes no sense. Oh, hours should be multiplied by 2. So 120. Wait, 60, 120, 150. times 60. Times 60. So 120 plus 30 is 50. 240 plus 35 is, okay, we got it. Okay, take a step-by-step, Chet, you got this. And wait, can it go up to the next day? That's very stressful to think about. Correct total difference is equal to correct total minus current total. Uh, 27 correct total. Okay, you know what? Do I need to print that out? I'll print that out, just be safe. Diff is 125. Is that right? 275 minus 150. 275 minus 150. Okay. Steps. 60 minutes current, 60 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay. Steps, int steps is equal to 0 by default. Diff divided by 60. Steps is equal to, so diff and steps are what I'm working with now. There's 22 minutes left. Steps is equal to diff divided by 60. How many times does 60 go into this thing? And then diff minus equals diff divided by 60 times what? Int, okay, times add 60 is equal to diff divided by 60, right? Steps plus equals times add 60. Diff minus equals 60 times the number of times you add 60 times add 60. Okay, and you do this for everything, right? Okay. I am so paranoid. Am I doing this right? Okay, calm down, Chet. You got this. Times add 60. Plus, I don't understand how you did this so fast. That's like actually pretty amazing. New diff is equal to diff. Okay, let's go. Dude, my chest doesn't feel good. Diff is 125. Okay. I think we got this. Times add 30 now, or we can add 15. The remaining diff minus 15. Steps is times add 15. Diff minus equals 15 times add 15. We do this for 5 too. If we do this, the first case should pass. Times add 5. Difference divided by 5. Steps plus equals times add 5. Diff minus equal 5 times add 5. Return steps, I guess. How did she do this one so fast? Oh, look, case 1 is working. Let's go. My chest doesn't feel good. It hurts. Usually it's my brain that's hurting, not my chest. The remainder. Oh. Difference is now 1. Expected 1. Yeah. Steps plus equals the remaining difference, which is just add 1. What? Oh, we don't need this. Dude, I feel like I overexerted myself. My chest hurts from the panic. Oh. Please work. Oh look, it's freaking Midnight Simon. Oh, I think I overexerted myself today. My chest hurts. I don't think my heart ever beat it this fast while I was coding. Oh, Circuit Breaker's first 2 submissions made me panic. I think I overloaded my brain and heart today. Go Circuit Breaker, I guess. Dude, this girl really made me panic. Hi, Midnight Simon, by the way. What do I do now? There's no stream to watch now. Should I tell you guys interview stories? Oh, 2 days ago. Wait, was it 2 days ago? No, it was yesterday. Yesterday I had 2 technical interviews. Except I didn't know I had 2 technical interviews. I thought I had 1 technical interview, and the one immediately following that is just a recruiter talk. Circuit breaker submitted. Wait, hold on. Maybe I can work on this one. This one is definitely not the best solution, right? Circuit breaker submitted. Okay, let's think about this. There's gotta be like a divide and conquer solution to this. There's no way. There's gotta be a way we can divide our search range by 2 every time. What's like the biggest we can possibly raise 2 to the power of? 2 to the x. Do they give us a limit on x? Can we binary search this? N is okay. Oh, circuit breaker saw power of 2. Let's go. I wonder how she did it. I'm actually so curious how she did it. Did she do it the right way? Man, I wish she was streaming this. I'm so curious. Did she do it the stupid switch way? Alright, well, I'm still trying to think about how to do this. What's the power up 2 that gets me closest to, say, 2 to the 31? Because, oh, wait. 31. That's the Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Could I possibly do a binary search between, say, 0 and 31? How do I do that though? Wait. Yeah, I have no clue. I'm totally lost. Would it be bad to look at the solution now? I did solve everything. But yeah, since I have no idea how to do this, maybe it's time to tell some interview stories. So yesterday I had two technical interviews. The first one, yo, I got so lucky. You know what the question was? It was the problem that we did 2 days ago, guys. It was the lexicographical thing. Leetcode. Lexicographical order. Last substring. I forgot what the problem was called. But wait, did she? Oh, okay. Basically, the problem was to solve, given a number, right? Find the next number in lexicographical order using only the same digits. It was the same problem we did 2 days before. Yeah, I was so lucky, man. We did this problem twice on stream too, because I knew it messed me up and I had to get fast at it. The first time I saw it, I had no clue how to do it. But anyways, in the interview, the moment the interviewer pasted the question into the IDE, the test IDE, I was like, let's freaking go. We did this, boys. We did this together, boys. And I'll be honest, I pretended to not know how to do it at first. I was afraid he'd switch the problem if I disclosed that I actually knew the solution. But yeah, I was like trying to. Well, I did tell him the intuition behind the problem. Yeah, I did show that I could work it out. I knew the intuition behind it. Yeah, the only thing that probably got me was what input to set my, like what to take as an input. If I took int, that's kind of inconvenient, so I took an array of integers instead. I think that's how the problem went on Leetcode too. At first I went for a character array too, and that kind of got into a hassle because comparing characters is kind of different, I think. But yeah, anyways, I finished it like the interview ended like 20 minutes early. I blasted through that problem. Wait, you know how in the end the interviewer allows you to ask questions that you want? I asked him that, what's the work culture like? Wait, no, that's not the question. I asked him what his least favorite part of working at his company was, and he's like, well, for this team that you're specifically working for, there's rumors that the manager's not very nice, and that he is a look over your shoulder, micromanage kind of manager. And then he noticed that I was writing that down on my piece of paper, you know, my notes. And then he suddenly was like, wait, don't write that down. I think he started thinking that I was a valuable candidate or something, maybe because I did the problem so fast. And he was like, wait, don't write that down. Okay, maybe that's not true. Maybe you can talk to the recruiters, you know, or the hiring manager. If you don't really want this team, you can ask them, and maybe they'll put you on a different team, you know. And then I had to calm him down, like, no, that's fine. I'm not. That's not a deal breaker for me, you know. What also made it maybe a bit more panicky for him was that was actually the last question I asked. Like, that's actually for real the last question I had planned. So after he finished his explanation of what his least favorite part of work was, and he talked to the manager, I was like, okay, well, that's all the questions I have. Thank you. And then he might have thought that I didn't want the job anymore, which is completely not the case. Mm. But yeah, it was kind of funny. I felt very wanted. I may have accidentally played hard to get, I guess. Yeah, so that interviewer has the incorrect assumption that I'm a valuable candidate. My next interview was with a startup. They gave me a tree problem. Find all connected components was the problem. Return all the islands in the tree, basically. Oh, it was not a tree problem. It was a graph problem. Find all the connected components. Yeah. You know, when I first saw the problem, well, first of all, I completely panicked. I absolutely panicked because I thought this was a recruiter interview. I would not have scheduled 2 technical interviews in one day because that absolutely drains your stamina. So when I first saw the question, I was like, wait, there's a question? We're coding in this interview? And then as soon as I saw the question, which is connected components, I was like, yeah, I'm screwed for this interview. I haven't done any graph stuff in a while. I'm screwed. But the interviewer was super nice. He gave me lots of hints. He led me step by step through the process. I think at one point I was struggling with how to design a recursive function to find all the connected components. I was struggling whether to put my results list in the parameters or to return it as a return thing. And then he was like very encouraging. He was like, maybe just start coding and you will see. Maybe you'll get a better idea once you start coding. And I started coding and I did see it. Yay. And yeah, I solved the problem. Yeah, I passed 2 technical interview rounds in one day. That was a huge deal for me. I didn't think that was possible. Circuit breaker submitted. What is she on? Min cost climbing stairs? Oh, she got this. She got this. I'm sure she got this. She was the one who was saying recursion was okay, right? In the beginning. I would usually step into the call with her right now, but I want her to concentrate, so. She got this, right? I'm sure she got this. Min cost climbing stairs. What did I do for this? Yeah, recursion. Man, this will be the second tie if she solves this. That'd be pretty cool. Oh. Min cost climbing stairs. Yeah. If you're out of bounds, return 0. No more cost. Steps not equal to -1. Yeah, if you have stuff in your cache, return it. My cost is where I am currently, unless I'm -1. And then I recurse. Either take 1 step or take 2 steps. Yeah. The result is a minimum of taking 1 step or 2 steps. And I cache the result. Unless I'm -1, I return the result. Yeah. Alright, place your bets, guys. Do you think Circuit Breaker's gonna solve this? I think she is. Look at how she blasted through the first 2 problems. She took a bit longer on the third one, but if I can solve this problem, I think she'll be able to solve this problem. By the way, my chest is still hurting. Just a little bit. Her first 2 submissions actually made me panic so much. I thought I was gonna like lose in a landslide. I think I may have over panicked though. So not only does my head hurt, my chest hurts as well. Ow. My chest doesn't even hurt this much when I exercise. This person is really making me feel stuff. Ah, feels like a sore muscle. Is Circuit Breaker sharing her screen anywhere? I'm so curious what she's up to. Come on, Circuit Breaker, you got this. I have no idea what you're doing now, but you got this. I have no idea if you're listening to the stream as well. Should I just go to my own stream? I have no idea who could possibly watch. Oh, that's probably her. Circuit Breaker, where are you? Okay, now we're in a infinity loop. There's 3 minutes left. Oh, now I can see how much latency there is in my Twitch stream. There's like a 6-second delay. Yeah, there's a 6-second delay. Pretty cool. Yeah, baby, look at my... Oh. You know what? I want to look at the editorial for this other solution. Step-by-step recursion, top-down DP. 4 ways. Oh wait, I meant to do it for power up 2. It's like, what? This is DP? There's 2 minutes left. Circuit Breaker, you got this. Fastest code in C+. There's freaking 8 approaches. Easy solution Java. Oh my god. N equals 0, return false. Not equal 1. Wait, are you serious? Wait. This is just infuriating to see. If n is equal to 0, return false. If while n is not equal to 1, okay. If n mod 2 is not equal to 0, return false. Okay. And constantly n divided by 2. Okay. I guess you could see pretty fast though, if it's not a power of 2 with this. Yeah. There's 0 comments for this. This beats 100%. Time complexity O of 1. I don't believe that this is O of 1. Is this O of 1? You're constantly dividing it by 2. It has to be based on this, right? I don't know if this is log or exponential. Is it log? It's probably log. Constantly divided by 2. Well, n is not equal to 1. Okay. Huh, you just constantly divide by 2. Okay. No, Circuit Breaker, there's 43 minutes. I mean, 43 seconds. No, Circuit Breaker, you got this. Circuit Breaker, no. Dude, I would love to see what her side looks like right now. Is she like panicking? 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right.
Oh shit.
Hello.
Okay. I just
How you
realized timer
doing?
went out on your end because I think I might have pressed mine like late.
Oh, how close are you? We can go overtime if you're pretty close.
Alright, the first one. I'm kind of stumped, I will not lie.
Oh, okay. You know what? I was stuck on the first one too. But then since you started preaching about brute forcing, I tried brute forcing too and it worked.
I did brute forcing, and then I started finding like a million issues because it wasn't passing some tests, and I was like, God damn it. Okay, I
Oh,
don't know.
okay. So do you want to go overtime or not?
Loki, I want to look at your solution.
Let's go. Let's.
Also, okay, like I was looking the first one, I was like, I'm not reading that. I'm going straight to power of two. I apparently was only failing one test, and you guys will probably see on the recording later if Chet edits
Mm-hmm.
it, but I
Yeah.
spent 10 minutes raging.
Oh, rage clip.
Um,
Let's go.
because when I plugged it into an actual calculator, it was a whole number, and I was checking if it was a whole number.
Hold on.
For some reason, Java double division hates me
Which problem
and
is this?
put a
Power of
really,
two?
really tiny number.
Wait, sorry. Which problem is this?
Power of two. Oh
Power of
no.
two. You're just off by one.
It
Wait,
wasn't,
what does
yeah, I
that
was
mean?
off by exactly one test. I fixed it in the end, but it was because of double division. Had like a tiny, tiny, tiny remainder.
Oh,
I
no,
was like,
that's
you
the
gotta be kidding
worst.
me.
God damn it. Yeah, I noticed you spent a little bit more time on Power Up 2. Wait, dude, your first two submissions made me panic so hard. I thought I was gonna lose by an avalanche or something.
No! Power of two, I finished Power of two, like the actual code, in like a minute, right? I was like, okay, this shit is easy.
Yeah.
But debugging that was awful. Oh no.
Yeah. Uh,
But yeah,
but
can I see
yeah,
a
dude.
solution for min cost climbing stairs?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's go. I can share my screen. Which screen do I share? Oh, this one. Go live. Dude, my chest is actually hurting right now. I panicked so much when you submitted those two at first and they succeeded. Min cost climbing stairs. It's usually only
You
my
didn't
head
have
that
to worry
hurts.
because this one screwed me over.
Oh, okay.
I don't even want to look at my solution.
Okay, so I
It's
did
bad.
recursion with memoization. Uh, okay. So let's not pay attention to the cache first. The base case is so I track my current step in the parameters, right? Like
Yeah.
if I'm on the 0th step, the first step, if my step is out of bounds, meaning I've successfully got to the top, I return 0. That's 0 cost. So then I calculate my current cost of taking my step, which is just that element in the array. And then there's two possibilities, right? I take one step, I take two steps. So I input the same cost in the recursive call. I increase step by 1, step by 2, and then I take the min, like which one's the best result, and I return that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I cache all my results before I return it into the cache.
Okay. I didn't do the caching. I literally tried to brute force it without recursion or anything, and that's probably what screwed me over.
Oh, I see.
I
Yeah, I
need to
feel like
work
this
on
is
memory. I think I need to work on memory problems. Because this is the one that
yeah,
got me.
I'm not good at dynamic programming questions either. I'm pretty sure this is a dynamic programming question,
I
but I'm
would
always just
consider
like,
this a dynamic problem question. Yeah.
yeah, but I'm always like, you know what, screw dynamic programming. I just go with recursion with memoization. I think it's way more intuitive for me. Yeah. Oh, you wanted to see my brute force or power up too?
I'm down. Can you just do like a recursive dividing by two?
No, I just kept. I started off with 1. I kept multiplying by 2 until I matched the number, or I matched.
Oh.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
this was the one brute force I did because this is too high, right? So that's the
Yeah.
one test case that got me. So if I get to this, I return false. Yeah.
Okay, you hard coded the test. No, okay, in my case, I redid the solution because I had a really like I just used like log. I was like, why
Log?
is this not working? Because I was using a change of base formula with the logarithm.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Do you want to share your screen?
Um, I can just hold on. I'll just send you a screenshot.
Oh, you'll send me a screenshot.
This is my actual solution. Like the one I submitted and the one that I started with. I tried to brute force it by just constantly dividing by two. It worked for it,
Oh,
and I was like, wait.
Wait, math.log n. Oh, I forgot how log worked already. Math.log 2. I have no idea what this means, man. Can you
Okay,
explain your
wait,
code?
so I mean, okay, if 2 to the power of x is equal to n, then log n is equal to x.
What? Say that again?
Okay. So like if 2 to the power of 2 is 4,
Right?
then log base 2 is equal to 2. Sorry, log base 2 of 4 is equal to 2. Like it'll get you the number that you have to
Oh,
raise 2 to,
got you. Yes. It's
right?
coming back. Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay, this is easy. And then Java decided to go, nope, double division,
Oh
which is
wait,
why
is
you can
this?
see the 0.000001 right there. It was originally I was
Oh,
checking if it was equal to 0 and it kept throwing false.
oh, because it returns a double, I guess, a decimal
It
number, and
returned
it's
a
not exact.
really insanely small number. It was ridiculous.
That's crazy. Yeah. All right. That's pretty annoying, man. Do you want to see what I found? I was looking at solution because I was done. Uh, there was this one solution that's really infuriating. This
None of
thing.
my solutions were good in terms of time.
Oh, I think half of mine was trash too. Dude, do you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking.
This is like I actually don't even know why this works.
Wait, yeah, okay, that was my second brute force solution. But
So
it timed out. It timed out. I don't know why it timed out.
I guess they kept dividing by two until they can't anymore. That makes
Yeah,
sense.
that's basically what it does.
Okay, and then if you can't, return false. Did you
Yeah.
check for that?
Yeah.
Huh.
Except on my end it timed out because the numbers were too big.
What?
So I
Interesting.
went back to my original optimized solution.
This guy says it beats 100% for some reason.
Yeah, it will beat 100%. Like it works. It just times it out. Like it is so slow. Because
Wait,
you have to
if
sit there
it
and wait for
times
it to divide out. It timed out for me.
really? Wait, if it timed out, then he shouldn't have gone to 100%. Did they update the test cases after he did this?
I don't know. Let me see if
No,
I
he
can
did this.
check mine. Because I swear, I literally
Wait,
have footage of me timing out with that solution.
yeah, I got into a lot of timeouts with this too. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna copy this guy's solution and then run it. I'm so curious.
Yeah, on
Is
my
he?
end it said time limit exceeded. I found it. Oh.
Okay, let's submit this guy's solution. It beats 100%. I don't know why
It
though.
will beat 100% because it works. Oh, what? Bruh.
No, but you're saying it times out. It doesn't time out.
On my end it timed out. What the hell? Is it
Uh,
because... I don't know.
is it because he exits really early here?
It might be.
Oh, okay. Wait, what's okay? Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, no, I forgot something.
Oh, you did?
I
Oh,
forgot the n equals n divided by 2.
that's an infinite loop, ma'am.
It worked? Okay, then I don't know why it passed 1087 test cases. I would have caught it earlier if it didn't.
Huh? Did you actually? Maybe you accidentally deleted it. Who knows?
I have no idea. Either way, I made a working solution. Doesn't matter.
All right. Yeah, you did. I can go over the rest of my solutions and then you can go over your solutions too.
Actually,
Uh,
I'm curious. What did you do for a minimum number of operations to convert time?
oh, that one. My code is
The
really messy for
string
this.
one.
So, okay, don't mind all these print statements. I was just sanity checking all the way through. I
No,
basically
no, I get
calculated the
it.
total. Yeah, I
I get
calculated the
it.
total minutes for both times, and I just kept dividing it by 60 and then 15 and then 5, and then adding whatever's needed.
Ah,
Yeah. Yeah, I just keep calculating from biggest to smallest time what I need
makes sense.
to subtract it. Yeah. What did you do?
I went smallest to biggest.
Smallest? Wait, why would you do that though?
Um, so the way I thought of it was 60, 15, and 5 are all factors of 5. So
Yeah.
the remainder of dividing by 5 would all have to be done in ones.
Wait, what? I don't think I'm following. Say that again.
So, okay. So, first I divided it by 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
And took the
Yes.
remainder.
Yeah.
Because 5, 15, and 60 are all multiples of 5.
Yes.
So if you can divide it by 5, you can guaranteed do any of the bigger operations. So anything that's not divisible by 5, you'd have to do in ones.
Oh, yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So then after I divided it by 5, I divided it by 3 because 5 times 3 is 15.
Oh.
Yeah, and then 15
Oh.
times 4 is equal to 60. So then I divided by 4.
Oh, and then you keep grouping your fives together and then a group
Yeah.
of 15s. That's pretty smart. Wait, can you send the code? I wanna. Oh, maybe I'll see
Sure.
it during the edit too. That's pretty
I mean,
smart.
I'll still
Huh.
send it.
Thank you. Wow. Wait, yeah. Was this the first one you solved? I feel like this was the second one you solved.
I did power of 2 first because I saw the giant paragraph for min cost climbing stairs, and I was like, I am not doing that first. I'm gonna skip to the next one.
See. For min cost, I was actually kind of relieved to see that because I did similar dynamic programming problems in the past. Power of two was the one I was like, yeah, no, I'm skipping this one. No thanks. And then I did the rest. Oh, I see your
I
I
mean,
see
number of
your
good
thing.
pairs was also scary, but like it wasn't actually as hard as I thought it would be. So
Yeah, this was really similar to that really classic two sum problem. Um, yeah, I just did a hash map storing everything I've seen in the past, and then for
oh,
each
I
number.
brute forced it.
No way. Can you explain the code? Do you want to share your screen or not?
I don't even know what to explain other than I started from the first index and I compared it with the next one and I did that
Wait,
for the entire array.
wait. I want to see you explain your brute force solution. This is gonna be really funny.
Okay. I'll send you the code, but it'll be on the recording. I'll pull it up.
Sure.
But like so okay, so you know that I has to be less than J. So I set J to I plus 1 and I just went
Hmm.
through the entire thing. So like for example, the first one, I'd compare the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth one with the first one, and then I go to the second one and compare the third, fourth, fifth, and
Oh,
I was like, this is 100% timing out. It did not time out. I was like, we take those.
no way. I'm surprised that doesn't time out either. Maybe it
I
times out
was
if you.
very surprised that did not time out.
Wow. Okay, I'm impressed.
This is incredibly inefficient.
Yeah, that's like, what's the time of that? N squared time? Worst
Yeah, I
case?
was like, wait, this is O of n squared. Like, this is a brute force solution. Let's see if it works.
Hmm.
And it worked, so we take it.
Maybe it's not completely brute force. Brute force would be like if you start at zero for each index. That would
Well, I
truly
mean,
be N
okay, because
squared.
it says right there that I has to be less than J. So, like, okay,
Yeah.
like, we might as well just start from J.
Okay. Dude, if I knew that worked, I would have gone for that too. That would be way more easier to think about. Instead of caching all my stuff in a hash map. All right, very cool. Have we gone through all the questions?
I think we have.
Number of good pairs. Okay, yeah, I think we did. Uh, very cool. All right, the result of this battle. Dang, this was really tight. I saw four, you saw three. It's my second win. Let's go. Woo. Uh, dude, your first two submissions made my chest hurt. I was so panicked.
If I had not gotten a memory problem, I think I would have done a lot better. Now I know those are the things that screwed me over really bad.
Yeah, practice more memory problems, I guess. Maybe we can do a rematch and it'll be different.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any closing statements before we end? Anything you want to plug or anything?
I'm cooked.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked too. My chest and head hurts. Usually just my head that hurts. Okay. If you don't have anything,
Match.
then yeah, thank you so much for coming and helping me out studying. Have a nice day. Hope you have good luck with interviews too.
You too, man.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, guys. That was intense. I'm gonna go now. Bye.